Good evening. The matter of double standards in our schools, and particularly those standards imposed by ISA for student athletes wishing to represent their institutions, was driven home once more during TVJ's Sports Town Hall meeting on Thursday by Vice President Keith Wellington. For years, ISA has imposed academic requirements on all student athletes who wish to participate in their competitions. But as far as one knows, these strict requirements do not apply to other students who wish to represent their schools in non-sporting extracurricular activities. For the record, ISA says student athletes must maintain an average of at least 45% in at least 4 subjects and have an 80% attendance record in the semester before the competition in order to represent their schools. Wellington rubbished the argument that academic requirements imposed on student athletes are discriminatory. However, I view this as a double standard simply because ISA is an organization run by principals, and these are the same principals who run all high schools. In the same way that these principals stipulate sports people should maintain a minimum requirement, the same ought to be done across the board for students wishing to participate in other extracurricular activities. And while Wellington said, quote, ISA has no control over requirements to compete in non-sporting activities, I am suggesting that individual principals can also stipulate that students wishing to participate in the choir, school's challenge quiz, the cadet, or even service clubs must also maintain similar grades and attendance records. Let's level the playing field and move away from the double standards in school. I'm Keon Reyna. Good evening.